Hallo julle, ons kyk vandag na bedryf 1, toneel 3 en 4 van Phila se kind. Lees asseblief weer die tonele in die boek en want anders gaan jy moeilik verstaan wat nou aangaan. Ons kyk na die derde toneel in die eerste bedryf. Ek gaan nie hierdie gedeelte lees nie. Dit is 'n dialoog tussen Elias en die boswagter. Die boswagter het gekom na Elias om vir hom te sê die kindjie is opgespoor daar in Lange Kloof. Onthou met die vorige toneel het hulle gesê dat Benjamin eintlik Lukas van Rooyen is en Elias kon nie glo nie. Hy sê daar, jy sê hulle het ons Lukas gekry. Die moontlikheid, the possibility lyk groot. Dit kan nie wees nie. Waar is hy nou, meneer? Nog daar agter in die kloof. Hulle laat hom môre haal. Goed. Kom ons kyk dan, hier is nou 'n gedeelte tussen Phila en David. Sy sê, Phila sê, ons sal nie vandag veld toe gaan nie, die alwee. Nou, alwee is maar net 'n ander naam vir alwyne. Nou, as jy die Klein Karoo ken, dan weet jy, daar is baie alwyne wat daar voorkom. En Phila wil graag die kinders ook by haar hou. Sy beskerm vir Benjamin, want sy besef, dis tyd dat Benjamin nou moet Nysna toe gaan. Kom ons kyk vinnig na die opsomming. Elias word amper deur die olifante in die bos vertrap. Onthou, die een van die olifante is 'n groot gevaar. Hy het alles neergegooi en het weggehardloop. Hy het selfs Nina se kombers neergegooi. Nou, dit is belangrik, want komberse, dis baie koud daar in die bos en almal was vir hom kwaad gewees omdat die kombers neergegooi het en weggehardloop het. En 'n uil op 'n dak, sy verwys na die uil op 'n dak. En Barta noem dat dit 'n uil bring ongelukke, nê. Die volgende oggend het die boswagter 'n boodskap. Hy het 'n boodskap is 'n message gebring van die magistraat en hulle sê daar is 'n possibility dat hulle Lukas gevind het. En hulle moet 'n uitkenningsparade bywoon. En met ander woorde, hulle gaan hof toe, they will go to court, they will have 5 boys there and Barta must recognize her son. Dis 'n uitkenningsparade. What you should know here is 'n magistraat, boodskap is 'n message. Moontlikheid is the possibility that they found Lukas, en die uil, of course, I'm sure you know what the meaning there is there, en dan het ons fyn getrap. Die olifante wat hulle groot pote het vir Elias amper fyn getrap, nê. Bedaard is kalm. En jy praat 'n ding wat my kop nie wil vat nie. You cannot accept what you're telling me. Ek dink dit is wat Elias gesê het. Jy kan net seker maak, dis sy direkte woorde. Kom ons kyk 'n bietjie na vrae en antwoorde. Watter plan beraam Elias om wel die ivoor van die olifant te kry? Can you see he's very slyish and he's lazy and he's always busy with plans to get more money, but of an illegal way. Hy het die boom so gekap dat die olifante daarteen aandruk. So they will press against this tree, dan val hulle in die afgrond af. They will fall in this afgrond het ons hier die vorige, waar staan hy, afgrond, the precipice, nee, daai. Dan val die arme olifant daarin en dan kan hy die tande kry. Dis baie, baie wreed. Wat het Elias alles verloor toe die grootvoete hom amper op hom getrap het? Sy handpyl, die klein axe, 'n bylose axe, die kort saag, die osrieme en die kombers het hy natuurlik neergegooi. En hulle sê hy het die kombers agtergelaat want hulle het 'n kort, 'n lack of blankets. Onderstreep die regte antwoord. Now, in the exam, they will not ask you to, definitely not the end exam. Gaan hulle nie vir jou vra onderstreep nie, you will write down the correct answer. Ons leer Nina die karakter ken as iemand wat bekommerd is oor hulle armoede. Nee, she wasn't worried about the poverty there. Lief is vir die natuur, yeah, that's the correct one. She loved nature, she's so familiar with the forest, the animals and the weather there, it was just unbelievable. In die tweede gedeelte van hierdie toneel kom die boswagter met 'n boodskap van die dorp. Wat was die inhoud, the content van hierdie boodskap? There's a possibility dat hulle die seun, in other words, that they found Lukas. Wie het hierdie boodskap gestuur? Who sent the message? It was the magistrate. Wanneer sou Lukas gehaal gaan word? that coming Friday. This is important, you should know that. Nou, wat is 'n konnotiewe en denotiewe betekenis van die woorde? Ek is 'n vernielde man. Connotative, think of a connection. Connotative is almost the symbolic meaning of it. Ek is gebroken, I'm broken. I had a hard time. That is a connotative man. Who said these words? Ek is 'n vernielde man. That was said by Elias, nee. Denotative, ek's letterlik verniel, nee. His body hurt, it was seer geweest, sy klere is stikkend en hy het seer gekry. So please, all of you, you will find this in language as well, you must know the difference between connotative and denotative. Let's look at the next scene. Nou, die volgende toneel speel Ava Lange nou weer met Phila praat. Hy sê, luister vrou, die magistraat is nie 'n man met wie jy sukkel nie. En Dikke sê, oormôre, Vrydag, Mr. Goldsberry wil net die saak van die kind wat die slag in die bos weggeraak het opklaar. Just to clear what happened to that boy. Dis al. Want to end it off. Nee, die ma van die kind sal ook Vrydag in die hof wees. The mother of the child, in this case is Barta, of course. Nee. Phila, dis nie haar kind nie. Dan moet ons soveel te meer sorg dat sy en Mr. Goldsberry dit self ook vasstel. They must determine that. Hoekom kom kyk die bosvrou nie hier, as sy wil kom kyk nie? Call her, let her look at Benjamin here. Hy sê, dit is groot sake, this is a big case, vrou, dis dinge wat vir 'n magistraat gesê en gedoen moet word. And she said, I will take him to Knysna. Die magistraat wil hom Vrydag in die hof sien, dis oormôre. Sorry. Oormôre is the day after tomorrow, and of course. Dit sal jou minstens 2 dae te voet neem om daar te kom, en met die kind by jou nog langer. Okay, intussentyd gaan dinge normaalweg voort in Phila se huis. Remember, now we read the summary. I just explain it to you quickly. Hulle moet huistaakies. The children must do small tasks at home. En Lange en Dikke het daar aangekom om Benjamin Knysna toe te vat. Phila wil saamgaan, maar hulle beloof. Can you see how sly they are? Hulle beloof, they promise, they will bring Benjamin back on Saturday. So he must appear in court on the Friday. They will bring him back on Saturday. Of course, that never happened. Terwyl Phila vir Benjamin bad, there were no bathrooms, but separate baths, sink baths, maak sy seker dat hy al die magistraat se vrae kan beantwoord. She actually taught him some maths and tables, nee, just to show the magistrate that they are educated boys. Goed, all of you know, Jok and Lie, what is the meaning? Alwyne, Alice, very important there. The Emma, the bucket, I'm sure you know that. And they promise, beloof, they promise they will be back on Saturday. Dwaas is a fool. Now, Kaalgat is penniless. She gave Benjamin some money to take with to Knysna, just to show the magistrate and to show the other people that they are not kaalgatte, that they're not penniless, that they can afford, that they educated people, or that they are, as I said, not kaalgatte. Onnooslik is just the old-fashioned word that they use for stupid. It should be onnoosel. Skei uit should be stop fighting, because here at Wolwekraal, the children are very comfortable and friendly with each other, but it's quite normal that they fight, they like children. Goed, and she, as I said, she taught, or not taught, she just double-checked that Benjamin knows all his sommers and maths, and attitude, you should know the meaning of that word as well. One word that you need to know definitely is karwatse, is whips. And then footer is beat. You will see in this drama that Elias footer the children. He was physically, he harmed them. Okay, and aspris is of course on purpose. Goed, here is Sir, that is also that you should know. She said to Benjamin, you must address the magistrate as Heer, as Sir. Show respect to them. Waarom het Benjamin met die aanvang van toneel 4? He was so happy because that specific day they don't need to go to to the field om die alwyn sap to get the aloe juice. He's just a normal boy. He wants to play rather than to work in the field, nee. So hy moes egter eers die hoenderhok, hy moes eers die hoenderhok skoonmaak en die werf vee. The werf is the yard. Wat lei die gehoor af van Fila se karakter wat die dogter stuur na Miss Baby en Auntie Mary om seep vir hulle te neem? She sent her daughters to these two ladies to take some soap. Sy gee om, she cares for 'n medemens, nee, fellow men, en sy voed haar kinders goed op. She raised them very well. So Flik's a hard-working family, and they work for the money. They're not lazy like Elias. Lange en dikke, they appear there on the stage. En she tried to hold Benjamin with her. Wat het sy aan die 2 mans gesê? Sy het Benjamin beloof dat sy hom nie sal laat gaan nie. Hy's vas aan Fila. En sy is verantwoordelik. She's responsible for Benjamin, and she wants to go with him to Knysna. And why is the following statement true? You must just motivate it. She was willing om Benjamin daardie maandag Knysna toe te vat. She has nothing to hide. She said she has nothing to hide. Maar sy kan nie vir Benjamin alleen gaan nie. Sy kan eers die maandag Knysna toe gaan. She tried to postpone it, but of course they insist that he must go on Friday. Choose the most suitable word. Now you can get a question like this in the exam, but Fila se houding is an attitude towards dikke en lange. Is she cheeky? Is sy beskermend of is sy haatdraand? The correct answer is parmantig. She was actually a bit cheeky, nee. She tried to stay humble, but then at the end she was a bit cheeky. Terwyl Fila vir Benjamin was, leer sy om goeie maniere, good manners. Sy sê hy moet vir die magistraat, heer sê, sir. En waarom stuur Fila geld? Om te wys hulle is nie arm nie. The word that she used to show them that they are not kaalgatte, that they're not penniless, nee, net vir ingeval, just for in case. Skryf 5 woorde neer. Remember now, this was long before cell phones, nee, or phones for that matter. Skryf 5 woorde neer wat Fila se karakter in toneel 4 beskryf. Sy was besorg, edify. This will normally, the mark allocation will out of 5, so you only write down 5, they will only mark the first 5. She was caring, she was a strong woman, she has integrity, she was loyal, she was honest, she was determined, very religious, and she was strict. Any of those 5. Goed, dit is die einde van hierdie 2 tonele. Ek hoop julle het baie geleer. Tot die volgende keer.